Hi, my name is Mr. Sanchez. I am 36 years old and I am native of the city of Santa Marta. Today I want to invite you to a wonderful tourist destination. It is called Buritaca Beach. It's a beautiful beach with incredible landscapes and a magic nature. On the beach we can enjoy the sea breeze and the beautiful women who attend the beach. The sunsets in Buritaca are magical. The river and the sea come together, making this a magical beach to go for a walk. It is an excellent tourist destination, and you will of nature within the reach of the public. Buritaca is located very close to the city of Santa Marta, and getting there is not very difficult. Since all the time there is public transport. In Buritaca, you have access beautiful outdoor restaurants. I invited to Buritaca as is an excellent tourist destination. Goodbye. Thank you.